Alright, what's going on, Adventures? Charlie's Adventures right here, and today we're doing something brand new that I've never done before. And obviously it's pretty serious. Got the noggin protected, the life jacket's on, and behind us you see this giant paddleboard right there. That's what we call a mammoth of a sup. Or
welcome to Jurassic Park.
we're gonna be doing something called sup rafting today with this awesome group of people over here, and it's hosted by this great organization called Tomfoolery, ran by Tom Helbig. I'll have his link to his events in the description of this video, so make sure you check that out. But he traveled the world in his awesome van, and he does cool events just like this. So what we're gonna be doing today is traveling down the Mad River in Dayton, Ohio, and we're gonna go down 3 whitewater waves. Yeah, paddle, paddle, paddle! Traveling on the sup board. I'll have my GoPro on, so you guys will see a first-person shot of absolutely everything. So hopefully everything goes just fine and we have a blast, but I'll be there ready to record it if it goes wrong. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to this video, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the rest of the content. So basically what happened right before we got into the water was the whole team got prepped with life jackets, helmet, pretty serious, got paddles, and Tom led us through a safety brief.
3 whitewater features where local paddlers will surf either in a kayak or on a board. And when we approach those, we'll talk about the plan going through that. The best thing to do...
But no one cares about that part. So what happened on this trip was unbelievably awesome, and you are definitely going to want to watch the rest of this video.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Hey, Joe.
Woo! Paddle, babe.
What's up, Joe? Strokes. Let's get a little speed.
1, 2, 3. Paddle your side. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, here we go. Couple more strokes. 2 more.
Here we go! Woo!
Someone please pick me up.
Yeah, paddle, paddle, paddle! Yeah! Woo! All right, get your side, babe. Oh, we're turning. Oh. I was kind of hot, wanted to go a little swim. All right, everyone, how was the first wave? How was the first wave, Ashley? I took a little bit of a dip. I just felt like I was either going to hit Ashley in the face with my paddle, or I could jump in the water. So I chose to sleep in bed. I chose to sleep in bed tonight. So.
Between that.
Yeah.
Sticking out
Yeah, there's something smaller sticking out to the left of it. Should we hold the left?
So we're going to try to go to the left of that stick. So let's get a couple sticks on the right. Very good.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah.
Nice.
Hello, geese.
Yeah. We're going to follow the bee down the...
Where's your family?
Nice navigating, George.
Going whitewater paddleboarding on the Mad River. Tomfoolery crew right here. Woo! Yeah, and George. Woo!
Oh yeah, you're GoProing the whole thing.
Yep.
Sweet, okay.
All right, here we go. There we go.
Jumping jack.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Watch out for that tree, George.
Woo!
Just kidding, it's not. Okay.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Are you sure we go that part like right in the middle?
Yeah, where all the white's at.
I'm gonna drop to a knee when we get there.
Alright.
Oops, sorry.
Alright, we ready, guys?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be at the other side for you.
Yeah.
Alright!
GoPro. No, get her on the GoPro though. Yeah, you got her?
We'll get her when I turn around.
Are we supposed to be following? Okay.
Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Go, George, go!
Go, George, go!
Oh mate. We got you.
We're here to save you. How'd you fall off?
Yeah, how did you fall?
I haven't peed yet.
What did she say?
Sure. I know, but
Wait a minute.
I'll pull you over. Why is the water warm right behind you?
You'll find out. Don't fall in right now.
You know what?
Yep, all good.
The wave on the right side is steeper, so you can get in there and stay and surf. This is,
The
I mean, there's a nice
recreational?
wave, but it's a longer, flatter wave.
Yeah.
We got this, John. Come on.
We're a team, guys. Come on. Yeah! All right. Woo! Yeah!
All right! Paddle on the right. Hey. Paddle on the left. All together. Let's go, George.
Yeah! Woo! Oh no, George!
Paddle together. On top. In the middle. Paddles in the middle. In the middle. In the middle.
Yeah! Woo!
Nicely done. Everybody.
Just slightly. Yeah.
Barely.
Way to hang there, Kelly.
I did. What's going on, adventurers? We have ended our awesome sup rafting experience with Mr. Tom Helbig right here. So I was very excited to do this experience with Tomfoolery Outdoors and Mr. Tom Helbig right here that hosts it. So what we're gonna do is shout out all of his awesome social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all that, his website. And if you guys are interested in outdoor stuff like the video you just saw, you'll need to check it out. So Tom, you got anything to say to all the people watching?
Man, I loved having Charlie's adventure out here today. We were celebrating our 8th birthday for Tomfoolery Outdoors.
To you, happy birthday to you.
We're a company that inspires people to play outside and try to make a difference in the community. And tonight's adventure was sup rafting on the Mad River in downtown Dayton, Ohio.
And we rocked it. Woo! Yeah! All right, so that's the end of our episode right here. So make sure you stay tuned for all of our awesome next adventures. Next one's gonna be backpacking, so make sure you check that out. And once again, make sure you check out all his social media down in the description.